You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this expression from French, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing words and names that many get wrong, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. In French it is said as Beau Monde. Beau Monde, meaning beautiful world. In English, this is said simply as Beau Monde, Beau Monde, Beau Monde, or in American English, Beau Monde. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.